Brian Sensei here. Today's video comes at you by request from one of my viewers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cast or mirror your mobile device onto your Windows computer. And this can actually be done using an Apple computer and an iPhone. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up our internet browser and head on over to letsview.com. You'll find a link in the description below. Okay, from here you're going to go ahead and click on download. All right, and you notice you can download for Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. I'll go ahead and select Windows. And we'll get this opened up and run the installer. All right, once you have installed Let's View, you're going to go ahead and run it. You can search for it in Windows Search. There it is, and I'll go ahead and run the app. All right, so here's the app ready to go here on my Windows desktop. Now we're going to switch over to my Google Pixel phone so we can see how to set it up on the mobile device. Okay, so from my phone, I'm going to head on over to the Play Store and I will search for Let's View. All right, and here it is. Let's View Wireless. You can see I've already installed it on my device. You'll want to go ahead and run through the installation process and then open the app. Okay, so on my phone here, I'm going to see my devices. Now, the caveat here is you got to make sure that both your mobile device and your laptop or desktop computer are on the same network. And then you can tap the refresh button here, and this will show you any devices that you can connect to. In this case, I have a device here called Let's View Brian_3. This happens to be my desktop computer, so I'll tap here. On this screen, I'm going to select Share My Screen. And here I can select to share just one app, or I can tap here and switch it to Share Entire Screen. Then I'll simply tap Share Screen. And boom shakalaka, we now see it coming up here on my desktop. And now I can navigate to any place I'd like to go on my phone. Let's go ahead and take a look at a video. I'll go to Photos, and I'll go ahead and play this video. Now, that video was filmed in portrait mode, but what if you have a video or picture that was taken in landscape mode? Let's take a look at this here. Now, you can see this was shot in landscape mode, so if I rotate my phone 90 degrees, boom shakalaka, it automatically rotates on my desktop as well. And over here on the far right, we have a toolbar with various things. Here we have our maximize button. Let's go ahead and click here. All right, now we're filling the screen. But notice I do have black bars around this picture. So what I can do is I can come over here and we have a button called Click to Remove or Restore Black Bars on the Screen. And boom shakalaka. All right, I'm going to click back out of full screen mode here. Exit, and I'll go ahead and rotate this back. Now, let's take a look at this video that I shot in landscape mode. I'll rotate the screen, and boom shakalaka. right, I'll back out of this and exit. Now, you'll notice that your video quality is standard definition right here. However, you can pay for an upgraded version of Let's View so you can get high definition quality. All right, I'll go ahead and close this. And we get back to our Let's View app. And you'll notice from here, I can actually select my Google Pixel phone, the Pixel 8, and I can cast from my desktop computer onto my Pixel phone. I also want to call out that I did not have to sign in or create an account in order to use this app. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.